Hi, guys. Welcome to day 2 of Math with Miss Miller. We are going to go through what needs to happen for week 1 as far as your math assignments. Some of you may or may not know this already, but we are getting ready to switch platforms for our live meeting. So instead of using Google Meet, we're going to use what's called Microsoft Teams. I am still learning about it, so we are trying to figure all of that out. Okay, so if you go into classwork, you have your week 1 assignment. So each week you will have all of your assignments listed together. They will also be provided on your weekly agenda. So if you open up your week 1 agenda, it should look like this. Okay, it says, welcome back. Each week you'll receive an agenda with a list of all of your assignments for the week. It will walk you through how and where to show that you've completed everything. We'll use a variety of resources, blah, blah, blah. Everything we do will have a way of showing completion. So if you look at this, this is an example of Khan Academy. So when I open up Khan Academy to see if you've done your assignments, you can't be like, oh yeah, I just watched all those videos. Because you can see that this person got 100 on the first assignment, then watched the second video, got 100 on the second assignment, did not watch this other video. Then they got 100%. You can always redo them on Khan Academy. That's why I like Khan Academy. This week, though, it is not interactive. So it just shows me, did you get on? Did you read what you were told to read? Because there'll be questions about that coming up later. So if you scroll down to the week 1 assignments, you can see that you have your online conduct survey, okay? That was given to you by Mr. Cook, I believe, yesterday. It's really simple, super short, fill it out, submit, done. Make sure you mark it off on your assignments for your advisory class, especially for mine, because the quicker we get them all in, the quicker there might be a reward. So if you can make sure that all of that is done quickly. Okay, then the second thing it says is a get to know you survey. I know you're shocked. I know you're tired of doing these. We do these every year. I know, I'm sorry, but I have to get to know you all somehow. And I hate that I can't meet you in person because I am a very in-person type of person, if that makes sense. So if you click on this get to know you survey right here, it takes you to my green getting to know you survey. Okay, there are a bunch of different questions in here. I really like when people are really thorough with these. It really helps me to get to know you and kind of better help me to prepare you and teach you to be able to help you throughout the year because we have a lot to learn. Third thing for this week is Khan Academy. This is something that we will be doing quite often with Khan Academy. You will have various assignments that are on here. I know people are not a big fan of Khan Academy sometimes. That's okay. You've got to make sure that you are clicking on Khan Academy and going in. The first thing you've got to do, this is huge, guys, sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. So many people will do the assignments. They'll find their assignments, do them, but it doesn't record it unless you're signed in. You may have to go into your email and accept being put into my class. But when you open it up, Khan Academy is really pretty, but we're just going to keep loading because that's what we do. It'll be in this top right corner. It'll be a login right here. And then you will be able to see your assignments over on that left page. It'll say courses. It'll list a whole bunch of things. But then under assignments should be where you find this. If you can't find this, please let me know in our Google Meet today, and I can walk you through it. You can share your screen, and we'll figure it out. It'll be fine. So there's 3 things that you have to read on there. They're all having to do with growth mindset. Some of you know a little bit about growth mindset. Some of you don't. That is something that we'll talk about fairly often this year. There are 3 little articles to read. They're very, very short. Please don't get me wrong. Very, very short. Connect the truth about your brain, learn the truth about your brain, and reflect on the truth about your brain. You have to read them. It's going to show me, just like up here, whether or not you actually opened it up and read them. Then your final thing for this week is your week 1 analysis. Okay, so when you open up this week 1 analysis, we'll have this every single week. This is just various questions regarding all of your assignments for this week. So you are going to have to answer questions about that growth mindset. Those answers came directly from Khan Academy. Use your resources, guys. You can have another tab open with this information to put right into here. There's no reason why you should have wrong answers here. Okay. Then there's a couple different expectations this year, something from your get to know you survey. What was the most difficult part of this week? What was the best part of this week? How's it going this so far? On a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is it summer yet? And 10, I got this. So glad to be back in school. Make it work. Then what can I do for you to make things better and easier? Obviously, I know we're switching platforms, so that's probably going to be on a lot of yours, is getting to learn how to use Microsoft Teams. I have no idea how to use Microsoft Teams, so I will be spending the day learning how to do it so that I can show you how to do it. Luckily, the district is providing us with a lot of resources just to ensure your safety and security, and we think that this is going to be the best option for you. Some other links that are down at the bottom if you need any kind of help. Your 6-week schedule again is provided, because what's another link without your 6-week schedule? Then we haven't really gotten into the open up resources or CPM or anything yet, so don't worry about that. If you're somebody that just wants to practice your map skills for your map test in 4 weeks, khanacademy.org/mappers is great. I highly recommend going in there. If you are wanting to go in there and input your scores so that it is focused to your specific needs to increase your map score, let me know and I can provide those to you. That's no problem at all. And if you have any questions at all, as always, please, please, please contact me. I'm more than happy to help you in any way that I can. I want this to be the most successful year you've had. We have all these high schools that are going to be looking at how did you do 7th grade year. This is the most recent year that they will be able to see the entire year when you apply in the fall of 8th grade. Again, we are so excited to have you on 7 Voyagers. Please email me if you have any questions, or I will be the entire time that's marked off on the schedule for our Google Meet. I will be available online. So please feel free to sign on real quick and ask whatever questions you need. We just won't stay together as a group. So I'm excited to see how everything goes, and good luck this week. Bye.